Nestled in the serene hills of northeast India, Imphal comes alive with vibrant colors and traditions during its festive season. Join me, the invisible explorer, as we journey into the heart of Manipur's rich cultural tapestry. Our first stop is Chavangkut, a festival rooted in the gratitude of harvest. Celebrated by the Kuki, Chin and Mizo communities, it is a time of thanksgiving, cultural pride and unity. From graceful folk dances to a unique beauty pageant celebrating cultural heritage, every moment of Chavangkut is filled with exuberance and joy. Chavangkut reminds us of our roots, our connection to nature, and the joy of togetherness. It's a time when everyone, young and old, comes together in celebration. Next, we explore Zomi Namni, celebrated every year on February 20th. It marks a significant moment in history, the political freedom of the Zomi people. This festival is more than just a celebration. It's a reflection of unity and identity, where traditions are kept alive through music, dance, and community spirit. Zomi Namni teaches us to honor our past while celebrating the strength of our people. It's a day of remembrance and pride. No festival is complete without food, and in Imphal, every meal is a celebration of flavors. From savory dishes made with ngari, fermented fish, to sweet treats that bring smiles to every face, food is the glue that binds generations. Food, like festivals, tells the story of a place and its people. Harvest season in Manipur is more than just reaping crops. It's a tribute to hard work, patience, and the blessings of a bountiful yield. The golden grains symbolize prosperity, and festivals like Chavangkut honor the spirit of unity between man and nature. Imphal's festive season is a beautiful reminder of the power of unity in diversity. It's where tradition meets modernity and where joy finds its true meaning. Come, explore Imphal with me and discover the magic of its festivals, where every celebration is a journey into the soul of Manipur. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to The Invisible Explorer. Share your favorite festive stories in the comments below. See you on the next adventure.